This is a plant pot. It's made of plastic from an ice cream.
This is a mug. It's made of paper and colors.
This is a snake. It's made of plastic from butter stalks.
This is a pencil holder. It's made of plastic from a plastic bottle to washing clothes.
This is a cactus pot. It's made of plastic from plastic glass.
It's a wristband. It's made of metal and cardboard. This is a pencil holder. It's made of cardboard from cereal box.
This is a pencil holder. It's made of cardboard and paper from cereal.
This is a money box. It's made of cardboard from tobacco box. This is a pencil tray. It's made of plastic from a bottle of water. This is a purse. It's made of plastic and paper from a milk box. This is a sweet box. It's made of cardboard from an eggs box.
This is a money box. It's made of cardboard, paintings and plastic from a tobacco box.
This is a football game. It's made of cardboard from a cereal box.